Ew.
Finally, a peaceful, chill day.
Ew.
This candy is yucky. What? All that's left is this nasty candy? Oh, come on. I need something yummy and sweet. Oh, I know. I'll make my own candy. Where's my grandmother's sweets recipe book? I forgot it's so heavy. Cake recipe, pie recipe. Hold on. The recipe for the legendary enchanted cake? I gotta show this to Sue. We have to make it.
Now my collection is complete.
Sue, I found the recipe for the enchanted cake, the most magical dessert ever!
What? An enchanted cake?
Yes, but the cake has to be blue for the magic to work. Blue, what is blue? Oh, that's right! Bluey is blue! Susie, let's make our cake in the shape of Bluey.
That's a great idea, Sammy. Let's get started. Okay, we definitely need a bigger cooking space.
And also, to constantly keep the magic book in front of us.
All right, let's see. Oh no, we don't have any of these ingredients at home.
What? How can that be? There's gotta be something. Huh? No way! Is that a treasure map? Well, let's see where it takes us. It's taking a lot longer than I expected. Don't mind me. The slime is pulling through. I'm starting to suspect that this map isn't taking me where I need to go. Oh, finally. Come with me. Thank you, map. This is what real treasures are like.
I think the map was leading us to this cake mix. All right, let's get started. First, we'll make the batter.
You know, these treasures were hard to find, but even harder to take it all in my belly.
Since you're already full, maybe you can help me and bring a mixer?
I don't know about full, but I'll bring it to you. It doesn't look that heavy. Oh, come on! Don't be so stubborn! Okay, fine. Maybe it's not as easy as I imagined after all. What? Did you see that?
Oh, wow! I'm starting to like magic.
Sue, I don't know what happened. The mixer was right here and then just poof!
It seems like your magic book has decided to help us out a bit. Anyway, I have a new task for you. Can you get the food coloring?
Whatever you say, boss. Well, what do we have here? Unicorn hair, stardust, and we get the... Ow! Come on, Pink Jar. You'll win this race?
I guess we're tied. Now, let's start coloring our cake batter. Mix, mix, mix.
You know, I think could become an architect. I like shapes, crafts, and all that fun stuff. But using magic is way more fun. See?
You're a great magician, Sammy. Now let's get our cake into the oven. We have to wait just a little bit.
Do you think this would work for our cake?
No, I don't think that's a good fit.
What about a glass? I once made a delicious muffin in a glass.
Yeah, I remember that, but our cake is much bigger than this.
Then how about the book? To make our cake full of magic, literally!
That would be nice, but I have a better idea.
What? So you had a tray this whole time?
Yeah, but I thought maybe we could find something better.
Aha!
Now we need something to hold our cake layers together.
How about caramel? Or jam? Wedge syrup? Peanut butter? Oh, I love cocoa, but that white cream always sticks to my face. I've got it, Sue. Let's use plain white cream.
That's a great idea.
Chef Sam's ready to help. This cream is so sticky. It's not working, Sue.
And I think it worked out just fine. That's it.
I need to give it a little taste.
No, we'll try it together when it's ready. Let's move on to the next part. For even more beauty, we need colors. I mean, we need cake fondant.
That's all I could find.
Sammy, it's fabric. Fabric is not good for decorating a cake.
Gotcha. Of course I found the cake fondant.
Oh, you little prankster.
Behold, a new vehicle for wizard slimes. Who needs a broom when you've got a rolling pin, right? Uh-oh, I may have overlooked something.
Careful. Well, the main thing is you found a rolling pin. Well, Sammy, am I doing everything according to the recipe?
We are still missing something.
What exactly is missing? I think everything's in place.
Wow, it smells delicious. Found it! A darker shade of blue.
Thank you, Bluey. We couldn't have done it without you.
Yeah, and we'll call you as soon as the cake is ready, okay?
Do we have to strictly follow the recipe?
Yep, otherwise the magic won't work.
Then, this part goes here. And this one goes over here.
I would never have thought cooking was such a tedious task.
Sam? Where'd you go?
To have a little nap.
But I need you to get me some beige fondant.
Whoa, that's lucky. Here you go, Sue, just like you ordered.
Here come the ears.
Don't you think we're missing one more color? Another shade of blue.
Now, our cake needs arms and legs. Can you do that, Sammy?
Of course. This is harder than it looks.
I'll take it from here.
Ouch!
Arms and legs are ready, too.
I present to you the most important element of our recipe.
And what's that?
Let me finish! It balances the other colors and activates magic.
Let's put this magic fondant into action.
I already did it. Here you go.
Great! We'll put the arms first, then deal with the legs.
Take it a little higher. No, lower.
Is that okay?
Yeah, but with these sticks, it will be much easier for you.
Wow, you're right. It's holding up great.
And now, let's get to the final part. Whee!
It is time to make eyes for our Bluey.
And how are we gonna do that? Why is it not working? What if I try it this way? What? Why triangles?
Here, let me help you. Now, let's work on the muzzle part.
Whoa! Great job, Sue. Nicely done, really.
Why, thank you. Now make the nose, please.
Why is it always me? Bluey said it's the most dangerous magic ingredient of all. The black cake fondant.
The most dangerous, you say? I don't know about that.
I'll look at you if it falls down suddenly and... Oh, my feta, how did that happen?
Oh, please. See? I'm fine.
But how so? I think I'm beginning to understand. Gotcha! You! How could you fool me like that?
Sammy, I'm almost done. I need you.
I'm here. I'm ready.
So, the nose, pupils, and eyebrows are done.
Hold on a sec. Now it's done.
So, what do you think of our cake, guys?
How much longer? I can't wait.
That's it! Here's our super cake in your honor.
Oh, wow. Sue, Sam, this is the best cake I've ever seen. And the prettiest, too.
The best tea table for our best guests.
Yippee! Magic! It worked! Guys, do you see that? We're having a real magic party. Thank you for being with us. See ya!
Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon, friends. Bye-bye.